Hey y'all, Chaffanie Naycole here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my little digital space where I teach you how to use your iPad and increase your iPad productivity. In today's video, we'll be planning the week in the Overcomer Portrait Style Planner. Before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I upload videos. You're going to see me use convert to text a lot in this video, and what that means is I'm just writing everything out. As you can see, I'll take the lasso tool and lasso around it and just convert it to text. Now I do get people saying that they don't have this feature. Well, that's because you have to have the paid version of Goodnotes in order to unlock the premium features. There are so many different ways that you can actually change your handwriting in Goodnotes, which is so convenient and cool to have all these different ways that you can do that. So you can convert, you can use the text box, you can use Scribble, you can even use a Bluetooth keyboard if you choose to. Now the font that I am using in this video is actually a font from my shop. It is called DGPnotes, and I will link that in the description box for you. If you find that the text is not sitting on a line or sitting where you want it to between the lines, some tips that I do is I resize the font and I do play with the line spacing as well. Now that I have my priorities and to-do list done for the week, I'm going to now drag and drop the widgets that I need for the week into my planner. Now you will see me play around with the widgets here because I'm just trying to figure out how I want to place them. And I'm also coming from the mid-year planner, which had like a lot of widget space because it didn't have like the weekly priorities, the to-dos, the notes part. It didn't have any of that in that planner, so it was way more space for widgets. And here, now that I don't need some of these widgets, I'm just trying to figure out which ones that I want to keep. For instance, the weekly habit tracker I won't need anymore on my weekly spreads since I will be using the morning and evening routine widgets on my daily spreads. Now we're going to start decorating a little bit, and I'm just going to start off with my favorite, and that is adding the little highlighter dots. I really like using these. I use them in the media planner, so I am going to incorporate them also in the new planner that I am using for the year. And I know you noticed that the highlighter dots are like a purplish color, which does not go with the widgets at all. And I think I said this in another video that I don't really put emphasis on adding the hex codes to the highlighter tool because I'll just lasso around the little dots and just use the color options from the pen tool. And the final step is adding some stickers, and I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to use about 4 stickers, and on this side I'm just going to do some layering. And remember, when you're layering things, Goodnotes is all about layers, so whatever you put on first, it will be the background. So if you want it to be in the front, you just have to remember to cut and paste, which you will see me do right now once I place this sticker where I want it. So anytime you are layering stickers or anything while digital planning in Goodnotes, remember that if you want something to be in the front, you just need to cut and paste it. So this is it, guys. This is how I plan the week in the Overcomer Portrait Planner. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. Until next time, bye y'all.